Good morning, students. Yes, very good morning. Today we shall discuss some problems depending on inverse. Find the inverse and invertible. Okay, already we have discussed concepts of invertible. What? Anybody? Yes, very good. How can we prove the invertible? First of all, we can prove F circle G is equals to IB and G circle F is equals to IA. Yes or no? F circle G and G circle F are identity functions, then automatically F G is the inverse of F. Very good. Here, what? What is the problem of 4? Given f of x क्या है? Given f of x is equals to 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4. Show that f circle f of x is equals to x prove करना पड़ेगा. LHS f circle f of x. Yes, f circle f of x, f circle g of x. How can we define? Very good. f of g of x. सर्किल निकालना पड़ेगा, ब्रैकेट यूज करना पड़ेगा. यस, f of x. वेरी नाइस. सो हियर f of f इन ब्रैकेट f of x क्या है? यस, 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4. Now he what? This is what? f function. f function क्या है? f function क्या है? Very good. 4. Very good. 4x, but you can use bracket with replaced by x. 4 in bracket plus 3 by 6 in bracket minus 4. This is good method. Very good method. This is 4 in bracket x. How it is here? Bracket में क्या है? वैल्यू क्या है? ब्रैकेट में वैल्यू क्या है? सेम इधर निकाल रख दीजिए. 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4. Here 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4. Are understand or not? Yes. Now what is the LCM? 6x minus 4. Here 4 in bracket 4x plus 3 plus 3 in bracket 6x minus 4. 6x minus 4 by, yes, 6 in bracket 4x plus 3 minus 4 in bracket 6x minus 4. दोनों denominators cancel. Are understand or not? Are understand or not? Yes. Here 16x plus 12 plus 18x minus 12 by 24x plus 18 minus 24x plus 16. Okay, here observe here minus 12 plus 12 cancel. Okay, minus 24x plus 24x cancel. 16x plus 18x how much? 34x. 18 plus 16 क्या है? 34. So 34 cancel. So how x? ठीक है, आंसर is x. Can you prove? Yes. f circle f of x is equals to x आ गया. Now what is inverse of f? What is the inverse of f? Very simple. No. We don't find g circle f and f circle g. Here direct f circle f of x is equals to x आ गया ना. Very simple process is there. f circle f of x is equals to x. Yes or no? f circle f of x, how can we define? f of x is equals to x. So you can shift to f that side. So f of x is equals to f of x is equals to, you can shift that side, f inverse of x. Are understand or not? So what is the inverse of f? What is the inverse of f? Itself. So f inverse of x is equals to f of x. So f inverse of x is equals to f of x. f of x क्या है? 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4. 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4. Here You can write here. What? F inverse of x is equals to f of x है ना? f of x क्या है? f of x क्या है? 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4. Are understand or not? Simple. We don't calculate g circle f and f circle g here only. क्यों? Already दे दिया f सर्किल f of x is equals to x हम प्रूव किया. सो इसलिए हम क्या करना पड़ेगा, f सर्किल f of x is equals to x, f of x is equals to x, f of x is equals to interchange f inverse of x. So f inverse of x is equals to f of x. That is answer 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4. What we are observing here? Very good, very good. F circle f of x is equals to x, then f is the inverse of itself. Understand? Next, fifth question. Fifth question here. फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन क्या है? ये इजी है, नो प्रॉब्लम. सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन. शो दैट f mapping from closed interval -1 to 1 to r given by f of x is equals to x by x plus 2 is 1 1. Is 1 1. Find the inverse of the function f mapping from -1 to 1 to range f. Okay, very easy question. Given function क्या है? f of x is equals to x by x plus 2. First of all, what we have to prove here? Show that f of x is 1 1. Okay, 1 1 प्रूव करना पड़ेगा. 1 1 प्रूव करना पड़ेगा तो प्रॉब्लम क्या है इधर? वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. लेट अस टेक f of x1 is equals to f of x2. Yes, consider f of x1 is equals to f of x2. f of x1 क्या है? x1 by x1 plus 2. Here क्या है? x2 by x2 plus 2. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो. x1 x2 plus 2x1 is equals to x1 x2 plus 2x2. Yes, x1 x2 cancel. 2x1 is equals to 2x2. 2 2 cancel. x1 is equals to x2. So f is 1 1. Are understand or not? Yes. Here, are you prove invertible? No. Here don't want. Yes or no? Direct find the inverse. Find the inverse. How can you find the inverse? Using onto. Inverse prove करना पड़ेगा ना. Then automatically that is onto. 1 1 and onto. 1 1 हम प्रूव किया. onto हम प्रूव करेंगे. onto के बाद क्या होता? 1 1 and onto means bijective. Bijective then automatically f inverse is exist. Now here prove. onto. onto क्या है? बताइए. Very good. Let y belongs to here. Y belongs let y belongs to R. There exist x belongs to closed interval -1 to 1. Okay, such that f of x is equals to y. F of x is equals to y. F of x is equals to y. If and only if, बताइए, f of x is equals to y, then x is equals to f inverse of y. लेके जाओ, f लेके जाओ. x is equals to f inverse of y. Here now find x. क्यों find x? Yes, you want f inverse, so you can find x. f of x क्या है? x by x plus 2 is equals to y. So x is equals to xy plus 2y. So x minus xy is equals to 2y. x common 1 minus y is equals to 2y. So x is equals to 2y by 1 minus y. 2y by 1 minus y. What is x? F inverse of y. So here F inverse of y is equal to 2y by 1 minus y. This is the answer. Are understand or not? Yes, very good. Next, seventh question. नेक्स्ट सेवेंथ वन क्या है? कंसिडर f मैपिंग फ्रॉम R to R given by f of x is equals to 4x plus 3. Show that f is invertible. F is invertible. Find the inverse of f. Inverse of f. Who are solving this question? Okay. Here what? Function 4x plus 3. Show that f is invertible. So how can we prove invertible? Very good. F circle G and G circle F find out करना पड़ेगा. Yes or no? F circle G and G circle F are identity functions, then automatically G is the inverse of F. Here invertible. सबसे पहले given f of x is equal to 4x plus 3. Yes. Now here you can take first function. There exists function g of y. G of y क्या है? He let f of x is equal to y. Okay, then you can create 4x plus 3 is equal to y. X is equal to y minus 3 by 4. आ गया g of y is equal to y minus 3 by 4. Understand? This is g of y means in terms of y. So this is function. What is the invertible function? What is the definition of invertible function? Very good. F is said to be invertible. Very good. There is a function g such that f circle g is equal to ib and g circle f is equal to ia. Then g is called a inverse of f. Here g of y क्या है? Y minus 3 by 4. First of all here what g circle f of x identity function. First g circle f of x identity function means इनपुट क्या दिया? x का आउटपुट क्या आना चाहिए? x आना चाहिए. ठीक है? x g of f of x. So g of f of x क्या है? 4x plus 3. अब अभी कौन सा फंक्शन है? g फंक्शन है. g फंक्शन क्या है? y minus 3 by 4 bracket minus 3 by 4. Don't forget, this is good method. ब्रैकेट यूज करो. वही ब्रैकेट में क्या आना पड़ेगा? 4x plus 3 आना पड़ेगा. अभी क्या है? 3 कैंसिल. यस सर नो? 3 कैंसिल. सो 4x by 4. सो x. सो जी सर्किल f of x is equal to क्या आ गया? x. इनपुट क्या दिया? x. आउटपुट क्या आ गया? x. सो दैट इज आइडेंटिटी फंक्शन. नेक्स्ट सेकेंड वन. f सर्किल g of y. g फंक्शन वही है ना? f of g of y. f of g of y क्या है? y minus 3 by 4. यस सर नो? g फंक्शन क्या है? y minus 3 by 4. नेक्स्ट क्या है? f फंक्शन. f फंक्शन क्या है? 4x plus 3. यस, वेरी गुड. 4 ब्रैकेट ऑफ प्लस 3. ब्रैकेट में क्या आना चाहिए? y minus 3 by 4. 4 कैंसिल. 3 कैंसिल. सो क्या आ गया? y minus 3 plus 3 क्या आ गया? y आ गया. सो g सर्किल f of x is equals to x, f सर्किल g of y is equals to y. दोनों क्या है? आइडेंटिटी फंक्शंस. सो g is the inverse of f. So g क्या है? This is. So therefore एफ इनवर्स ऑफ वाई इज इक्वल टू जी, जी फंक्शन क्या है, y माइनस 3/4, y माइनस 3/4, you can write like that. G is the inverse of f, therefore you can write G is the inverse of f, G of y is equal to inverse of f. Understand? So therefore f inverse of y is equal to G of y क्या है, y minus 3/4. Okay. Next, 8th question. Most important question, 8th question. CBSE model. CBSE already I have explained example. Now 8th question, most important. Consider very important. We have mapping from R plus 2 minus 5 to 8. Left closed, right open, minus 5 to infinity. Given by f of x is equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Show that f is invertible. F is invertible with f inverse of y is equal to root over y plus 6 minus 1/3. Okay. Most very important question. Most. Here, observe here. Let given function क्या है, f of x is equal to 9x square plus, already example question is there, minus 5. Okay. Now here f of x is equal to क्या करना पड़ेगा, 9x square plus 6x plus 2 into 3x है ना, 3x, yes, plus 1 minus 6, right or wrong, 1 minus 6 minus 5. Here f of x is equal to 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6, 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6. This is function. Okay, what is the definition of invertible? F is invertible, then there exists a function g. So we can create one function. What? Let f of x is equal to y. Okay, f of x क्या है, 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6 is equal to y. 3x plus 1 whole square is equal to y plus 6. So 3x plus 1 is equal to root over y plus 6. So x क्या है, root over y plus 6 minus 1/3. So there exists a function g of y is equal to root over y plus 6 minus 1/3. This is the another function. Or understand? First, what we have to do here, f circle g or g circle f. G circle f of x is equal to x प्रूव करना पड़ेगा. G circle f of x. So g of f of x. Yes, g of f of x क्या है? f of x क्या है? 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6. f of x क्या है? 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6. Yes. अभी g फंक्शन क्या है? g फंक्शन. Yes, very good. This is so root over y means bracket. Okay, plus 6 minus 1 by 3. देखो g फंक्शन क्या लिखो पूरा, रूट ओवर y पे, y का y क्या है, y ब्रैकेट यूज करो, प्लस 6 माइनस 1/6, सॉरी प्लस 3. ब्रैकेट में क्या करना पड़ेगा, 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6. Okay, 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6. Here plus 6 minus 6 cancel. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. नेक्स्ट क्या करना है, स्क्वेयर एंड रूट कैंसिल, स्क्वेयर एंड रूट कैंसिल, स्क्वेयर एंड रूट इज इक्वल्स टू रूट ओवर 3x plus 1 whole square minus 1 by 3. Okay, square and root cancel, so 3x plus 1 minus 1 by 3, 1 cancel, 3x by 3, 3x by 3 is equals to 3 cancel, x आ गया, और अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट आ गया। नेक्स्ट क्या प्रूव करना पड़ेगा, वेरी गुड, क्या है, जी सर्किल एफ हो गया। नेक्स्ट वन क्या है, एफ सर्किल जी, एफ सर्किल जी, एफ सर्किल सेकंड पार्ट क्या है, एफ सर्किल जी ऑफ वाई, एफ सर्किल जी ऑफ मीन्स एफ ऑफ जी ऑफ वाई, एफ ऑफ जी ऑफ वाई क्या है, जी ऑफ वाई, वेरी गुड, रूट ओवर वाई प्लस 6 माइनस 1 बाई 3 जी ऑफ वाई, यस सर नो, जी ऑफ वाई रूट ओवर वाई प्लस 6 माइनस 1 बाई 3। अभी व्हाट, एफ फंक्शन, एफ फंक्शन क्या है, एफ फंक्शन वेरी गुड 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6, 3 in bracket plus 1, 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6, 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6, yes sir no, 3x bracket plus 1 whole square minus 6, ब्रैकेट में क्या आना चाहिए, रूट ओवर y plus 6 minus 1 by 3, 3 कैंसिल, now what, नो व्हाट बताइए, रूट ओवर वाई प्लस 6 माइनस 1 प्लस 1 रूट, ओके, होल स्क्वेयर माइनस 6 माइनस 1 प्लस 6, स्क्वेयर की रूट की कैंसिल, वाई प्लस 6 माइनस 6 6 कैंसिल, क्या आ गया, वाई आ गया। सो एफ सर्किल जी सर्किल एफ ऑफ एक्स is equals to x and g circle, sorry, f circle g of y is equals to y, so g is the inverse of f, or understand or not, inverse of f means f is invertible, हो गया, काम खत्म, g is the inverse of f, so g of y is equals to f inverse of y, therefore f inverse of y is equals to, आंसर क्या है, g of y, g of y क्या है, ये रूट ऑफ y plus 6 minus 1 by 3, this is the answer, or understand or not, yes, very good।